beautiful picture.
Okay, so we have some Chinese friends who can speak a little bit Urdu now.
Hello.
So, yeah.
We are in Pakistan now. Well, this is our first day to stay in our Pakistan friend's house. We are very happy here, so we learn some Urdu. Urdu, yeah, we learn some Urdu.
Okay.
Okay. So you know. Malikum salam.
Walaikum assalam. Yeah.
Goodbye.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
Oh, yeah.
Good. So,
You ask.
okay, guys, आप कैसे हैं?
Ham ticket.
आप कैसे हैं?
Ham ticket.
Good. Okay.
Salam alaikum.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम Asia है.
Azer है.
Asia है. मेरा नाम Asia.
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम नोरा है.
Great. So, Azer, आप किस मुल्क से हैं?
मैं चीन से हूँ.
आप चीन से हैं?
Sorry.
No, आप किस मुल्क से हैं?
Ham ticket.
No, आप किस मुल्क से हैं?
Oh, मैं चीन से हूँ.
Great. So, आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा?
अच्छा गुजरा.
Yeah, achak.
आपका दिन कैसा गुजरा?
Achak गुजरा.
अच्छा गुजरा.
अच्छा गुजरा.
Good.
Achak गुजरा.
Good. Okay. So, over now, or you need to learn more?
Learn more.
Never call me baby, hold on. Just call me by my name. And say it's so. Say it's so. Before you're too far gone. For nothing can be done. Try side and win, chill out and win. I don't got no fight in me in this whole damn world. Tell you hold off. Choose to hold on. One thing that I know, I used to put my coat on. Telling how I know it's all wrong. She's standing outside holding me, saying, oh please, I'm in love. I'm in love. Girl, say yes, oh, say yes, so before you're too far gone, and before nothing can be done.